Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are supposed to finish up the EJ25 build for our STI. Bader is requesting some help and I gotta help him out real quick. Also, if he's not too busy today, I'm gonna see if we can slap on this old girl on the dyno. We're in the 22 BRZ right now. It don't got too many mods on it. Nothing that's gonna really give us any crazy power. I'm just curious to see how much power it makes for when we do put the FRS on the dyno and tune it, just to have a little rough comparison of an NA BRZ versus a boosted BRZ. So yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're up to right now. I still want to head to the shop later if I can get our seals from the dealer in time. I guess we will see what pans out. It ain't stock, it's got exhaust. Dude, it's got everything. Headers, test pipe, strut tower, oil cap. There we go. She built. All right, we made it out to Bader's shop. We're gonna slap old girl on the dyno. I'm curious to see what she makes. Probably like Mustang numbers, 180-ish, I would say. Maybe a little bit more. It might make more than we expect. I also got the 3 O-rings that we needed for the STI build. Shout out to Bader. This thing might not fit. You ready to turn this bitch up?
To the top, all the way up.
What's she gonna make?
I'm gonna say a solid 518, more than the STI.
All right, pull her up.
All right.
I don't want to self-title my own car. Oh, salvage title. What's up, Bader? I knew you were gonna salvage title it.
I went slow.
I think you're stuck on the dyno.
We need a piece of wood.
You got some wood?
Where's the LSD at, dog?
Oh shit, what are we gonna do? Oh fuck.
Hey, come on. Devin, Bader, don't do that.
I know, the other one did that too. Fucking redneck ass Bader over here.
All right, well, go get the jack.
Push it on?
And then we'll put the straps on there with some wood.
Why don't we just reverse it on?
We definitely can reverse it on.
Well, not anymore.
Well, that's what we gotta jack it up now.
Well, we almost salvage title the BRZ. A little sketchy. A little too low for the dyno. Salvage title her again! Definitely leaving with a rebuilt title.
So we need to make the dyno more friendly for you. We got the process down better now.
Yeah, well, not with these flying out.
No, we look like we really got the process down later.
Alright, let's see what this thing makes.
We're on the dyno. She's just almost for life. Married.
It's making at least 300 wheel. No, for real?
Put one on the back.
It's gonna make like 180.
You think so?
On the Mustang.
What are they supposed to make?
It should make like 220 dyno jet, I think. My butt dyno?
Yeah.
212.
Your exhaust is about on it right now. It's not touching, but it's close. So we'll loosely strap her.
It don't need to be strapped tight, it don't make that much power. Gotta explain to the boys.
Well, every time you do a dyno test like this, you gotta do 3 pulls because it's gonna adapt to the dyno. You know, it's a factory issue, not knowing what's going on. Obviously, it's a little bit different load than the road, so we'll see what it makes. 330.
Yeah, probably not. Why are you putting your seatbelt on the dyno?
Oh, I'm afraid I'm gonna go off the dyno in this thing. You guys hear that fancy dancy seatbelt chime? That is why we do not want to not have our seatbelt on, because it's very annoying.
It's annoying as shit.
That's why we have our seatbelt on. A lot of you asked because you thought we were gonna die, and partially it's because we thought we were gonna die. The other part is sauce. It's really annoying. So starting down the dyno, every car, we gotta calibrate. And the reason why we gotta calibrate is because we're running obviously a coil pack car. We're not a spark plug car, or it's a spark plug car. It's not a spark plug wire car.
She ain't
there
got
you
no
go.
plugs in her.
She got no plugs. She's a diesel. So we calibrate the dyno, bring the car up to 4,000 RPMs. The dyno knows where RPMs are.
Feel it.
So that's what we got to do. Traction control's already off, I would assume. That's a trunk button. So where's your traction?
Right here.
Wow, they give you a nice placement.
The burnout button.
I like the check engine light.
I know.
Fancy addition.
Homemade headers.
Ooh, let's see if our exhaust hits. Gucci. Look at that. Ooh, why is the seatbelt? Oh, because you.
My bad, my bad.
1,000 in here. You want the good or bad news? The dyno.
Can't read it?
Oh no, we're good. Alright, I don't know what that was about. Alright. 4,000 RPM. Bam. We are calibrated.
Spit out your guess.
You said, what do they make stock? 'Cause I don't even know what these things make stock.
Dude, I don't know. Feel it on the button, Dyno. Go do a quick pull.
We gotta do a quick hit. I'm afraid of our exhaust in the back.
I know.
Can't send her.
The exhaust is pretty much hitting on the dyno, huh?
Luckily, it's not on the rolling part of the dyno. It's just on the center part of the dyno.
Damn thing's too low. I'm gonna guess dyno jet converted like 220. So Mustang, that's gonna be like 150.
You'll find that the lower the horsepower, the closer they become with dyno jet is what I've seen.
Okay.
Like our Honda made 133. I think that's pretty close.
Dude,
to
if
the
this
dyno
don't
jet
beat the
number.
Honda, I'm pissed.
I'm gonna laugh if this doesn't beat a 2000 Honda Civic on the dyno.
I'll be mad.
I would hope so.
I wish you could tune it. That'd be fun.
Well, maybe we can hack this ECU one day.
Are we in fourth gear?
Yeah, I was in fourth gear. I probably could have done third. Alright. There we go.
Look at that speedo climb.
Oh, dude. Oh, VTEC hit.
Holy shit, rolling ass.
Oh,
It didn't
still
blow
running.
up.
It didn't blow up.
I mean, it is stock.
Ooh, that's some good power, bud.
What did it make?
247 and 203.
You're so full of shit.
Look,
It didn't make 247.
dude, it made 247.
You're
Look at the graph.
quite flat. You're so full of shit. This car does not make 247 on a Mustang.
Well, bud, it made 247.
Did
Dropping off up here because they're pulling
Are
pro.
those actually legit numbers?
Those are actually legit numbers.
Dude, that's actually like
Can't fudge it.
those are Mustang numbers, not
Those
converted.
are Mustang numbers. Okay, we go over here. We go to dyno jet mode to show you.
I mean, this thing is kind of quick. Like if you
270 and 192 torque is what it was dyno jet.
270
Mm-hmm.
and 247 Mustang. Holy shit! Do some more. You gotta do 3 total,
We gotta
right?
do 3 total.
Because I feel like that's a little off.
Well, we did do it in 4th. Let's do it in 3rd because technically we should have done it in 3rd.
Okay, that seems a little high to me.
That seems pretty high to me too.
Yeah.
So we got to recalibrate because obviously we're switching gears.
All right, we're gonna. That was a 4th gear pull. We're gonna hit a 3rd, just because Bader's over here trying to fudge my numbers.
I'm trying to turn her up.
I wish.
Boom, here we go. So see? 233 and 192.
That's still pretty.
That's still pretty good. So 4th gear is inevitably going to make more. It's more load. But usually we don't do them in 4th in a transmission that's like this. This is kind of like a split case WRX transmission.
Okay.
So what that means is they have longer gears. Usually you pick up knock because it's so much load.
Yeah.
This not being a turbo car, I doubt we're picking up any kind of detonation. But
Probably
233 is still a damn good number.
That's impressive, dude. I am very impressed.
And you gotta look, you can actually hear it in the video where it's pulling the throttle back at the end towards the limiter. And that's what that is. Otherwise, this would just be straight up all the way to the limiter.
Really?
This thing could carry this all the way out to 75 and probably pick up at least 15 horsepower, I would assume, or 20 horsepower easily with a tune.
So what? That was 230.
233, 192. If you guys want to know what it was, dyno jet, I'll tell you what it was.
Dude, that's actually pretty good.
Again, our dyno jet mode here is just simply adding 13%. There is no change on the dyno. It made 260, 187.
And there's no way to fudge. I mean, we're on a dyno. So
Yeah,
you
we're on a
can't-
dyno.
Yeah.
No matter what, it made 233, 192. the way you want to look at it.
That's pretty sick. All right, I'm gonna go outside for an outside pull.
Get the one last one.
And let's see what she does. Dude, I'm kind of excited. What does a stock like WRX make on the dyno?
Dude, a stock STI on this dyno will make anywhere from 220 to 260 wheel.
I'm about to go gap STIs.
Let's do it. You got one right there sitting on the couch. Pull ski from the outside like we did with the STI.
Don't wheelie off the dyno.
I know, it sounds like it's working good, so
yeah.
probably doing. I'll just be
you
gentle.
Hot boy tunes on there?
What's this redneck shit? They're not even strapped on, dude.
Well, I told you I put them loose because we had exhaust. Dude, she was a little squirrely.
That was very squirrely. All right, let's pull this bitch off the dyno. Better than expected. I can approve of those numbers.
A lot better than expected. We didn't completely salvage title it.
We almost made 300 wheel.
We
Dude,
did.
with that tune, this thing can make easy 300 dyno jet.
100%.
Easily.
And remember, told you we should have tightened it more. About sent this thing out to dyno.
Yeah, I know. She's getting a little squirrely. Bader wants to see how fast this thing.
I want to see how fast it is because it about came off the dyno. It had so much power.
All right.
We already know the rule. Bader can't drive when we're around Devin. Otherwise, we have a
situation.
We'll probably have good video content actually.
Yeah.
Maybe one day I'll get the balls to do it again.
We'll have a situation.
Not the balls to do the same video, but the balls to drive.
You got your phone
You did
on?
bring your Tatrix, you fuck.
That's yours.
Oh, that's my Tatrix.
Google it. See what this thing.
All right, I'll Google it. See what they make.
I mean,
Does that mean the 2023 or 2022 WRX is going to make more power than they say?
I know Delicious Tuning put their car on the dyno, and
22.
22, and I think theirs made like 220 dyno jet, or maybe it's Mustang, but it was all stock. I got headers
You got headers.
and a test pipe.
228 horsepower is what they make. We made 228.
Yeah, but wheel,
Yeah, wheel.
Mustang wheel.
Mustang wheel. It's also a two-wheel drive car, so I mean you don't have that much loss.
True. Well, like 5%.
Yeah, probably a couple percent.
Yeah. All right. Well, let
We
me.
made more in fourth though.
Yeah.
245,
It's pretty quick.
which was 260. I knew that right, or 270. You ready to see your skills? Oh Jesus, it actually gets it. Dude, up top.
Not bad.
Dude, the power band up top, I would say that is an impressive power band that is up top.
It's
Feels
so
like
damn.
E-Tech.
It's so damn fast. You can't even hold that camera.
I
still.
can't even hold the camera up for it still. Gotta dodge our Mexico roads here. A little bit of potholes. Oh, getting loose.
It's a fun little ripper.
Not
bro.
bad. I'm impressed.
I like it.
I'm thoroughly impressed. And it sounds good, honestly. It's like Subaru, but not Subaru. Oh, told you.
Factory hot boy.
We put the verbal tune on her. By we, I mean Subaru did. Dude, this thing sounds good.
It's a fun little car.
Alright, I approve.
Now you gotta buy one.
Can we please put a turbo kit on it?
Yeah.
I'm down.
You know my other one's boosted, right?
Well, yeah,
FRS.
but this makes more power stock.
Yeah, it's a 2.4.
Well, see, that means we'll make more power boosted.
Dude, my FRS is gonna make like 400 wheel. Better.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Tell them, let's put it on the dyno. You ready?
I'm down. 100%.
Alright, I'm down too. You
you-
just put a new tranny in it, didn't you?
Yeah. And a
Nice.
twin disc.
So we can break her on the dyno.
When do you want to do it? I can do it around whenever, dude.
Sign you on up. We're ready when you are. Traction control. Just for the power mode. feel to drive.
It's way faster than the S2000
Well, yeah.
was. But,
The S2000 back in 2000, I would have gapped this. Not this, but gapped what they had.
Oh yeah.
No, it's impressive. Like, it reminds me of a new S2000.
It's funny that you're impressed by this car. I find that funny.
The power band's a lot different though. NA versus turbo is just so much different.
Yeah.
So this with a turbo,
I think you would be impressed by the FRS. That car gets it.
well, I want to feel it.
Okay, I'll bring her out.
I like your furry hood.
And then we can bring the M3.
I'm
I'm
ready
actually
for
curious to
M3.
see what that would make on your dyno.
But now we know how to put them on.
Yeah.
So now we don't salvage time them. But no, this thing is impressive, dude. The interior I like. I think everything about it I like more than the older one.
Yeah, I agree.
Question the body styling a bit.
I still question
Still question it.
it. Well, I like it out.
But it definitely, it's growing on you, as anything.
Dude, I hated like Bobby's car at first.
That's true.
I could not stand those. And now I'm like, damn, that's sick.
Back when I started out, I hated the 15 plus rear front end. I liked the back, and I didn't like the rear. And then now I have about 80 million of them.
Yeah.